Woodcut tech, the pinnacle of forestry technology with incredible precision and power. From automated woodcutting machines to artificial intelligence, everything is aimed at optimizing performance and sustainable development. Follow Woodcut Tech to discover these amazing innovations. Don't underestimate a fallen tree, as sometimes the smallest things hold the greatest dangers. Just a moment of carelessness can make you stumble on the very path you thought you knew well. The fresh scent of pine fills the air, blending with the rhythmic sounds of the bustling sawmill. The ponderosa tree, though broken by the storm, never loses its value. In the hands of skilled craftsmen, it is reborn into fine timber, continuing its journey through generations. This is how nature and humanity come together to write the story of time. Before you is the Valmet 921, a powerful machine that can handle up to 21.5 tons. But power isn't everything. Advanced control technology helps optimize performance, minimizing environmental impact. This is more than just an engine. This is the evolution of modern forestry. When strength and intelligence combine, a sustainable future is clearly defined. Thunder roars, cold steel rains. The Carlton 7215 TRX charges into battle, crushing every stubborn stump in its path. No mercy, no surrender, only absolute power and total domination. Will this destructive beast conquer all, or will nature fight back to the end? Absolute power, unmatched efficiency. This beast devours every stump, reducing obstacles to dust in the blink of an eye. If you need to clear land, this is the steel warrior you want by your side. Fendt 942 Vario and Genza HM583. Unstoppable power, unrivaled efficiency. The Vario dominates every terrain, while the HM583 shreds massive logs in the blink of an eye. This powerhouse duo not only boosts productivity, but also sets a new standard in the forestry industry. When cutting-edge technology meets ultimate strength, nothing can stand in the way. A decade ago, a homemade wood splitter changed the game. With impressive power, it shredded wood into thin slats in seconds, a true symbol of innovation and craftsmanship in wood processing. John Deere 1270G with the H415 head, the ruler of the deep forest. A perfect blend of power and precision, moving like a ballet dancer, but destroying like a storm. A brand new machine costs $437,000, but you can own this beast for just $175,000, $240,000. A huge bargain for those who want to dominate the forest. Norwood PTO Mill PM14, a portable sawmill at your fingertips. For just $880, turn your chainsaw into a powerful sawmill that can handle logs up to 14 inches without investing in a large sawmill. Compact, versatile, and powerful, the perfect solution for those who want to be proactive in producing wood whenever needed. Save money, maximize efficiency. Have you ever seen a forestry machine as powerful as the John Deere 1270E? With 255 horsepower, an 8.6-meter crane reach, and the ability to cut trees up to 750 millimeters in diameter, it's a true productivity beast. Nothing can stand in its way, making logging faster and more efficient than ever. While its price of over $370,000 isn't cheap, the returns it brings are worth every penny. If you need the ultimate machine for forestry, this is the one you can't afford to miss. The Hockey Pilkey 1X42 Greenspeed is a powerful wood processing machine with advanced technology, optimizing efficiency and saving fuel. Its durable saw system enables fast and precise cutting. With a smart design and easy operation, it suits both large workshops and households. If you need an efficient wood cutting solution, this is the perfect choice. Can you believe it? He was like a superhero, sitting on the top of the tree without any protective gear. With just a small saw, he cut down the coconut tree in a few minutes. This is Vietnamese. It's really amazing.
Nhìn mặt mày đồng như là người tuyết vậy các bạn. Mấy cái mặt dừa, mặt cưa dừa. Rồi.
One of the biggest concerns for sawmills is getting wood that doesn't meet expectations. Sometimes you're not just cutting wood, but facing hidden dangers. Nails, wire, or even old bullets. These objects not only disrupt operations, but can seriously damage machinery, leading to significant losses. A seemingly normal log can turn into a disaster if not carefully inspected. For sawmills, every cut can be an adventure filled with risks.
I'm cutting 3.5.
The Hitachi Zaxxas 200 excavator combines optimized design and the ripper attachment, boosting productivity in excavation and cleanup tasks. With reduced fuel consumption, it not only saves costs, but also contributes to environmental protection. Exceptional efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and sustainability are the key benefits this excavator offers. The perfect choice for any project requiring high performance. The Bandit 1990 XP is an incredibly powerful machine capable of handling any material, thanks to its 21-inch drum chipper system and 300 horsepower diesel engine. With its dual feed wheels and hydraulic lift cylinder design, the machine provides smooth and efficient material handling. Equipped with a remote radio control, it enhances safety and convenience. This is the machine you need to get the job done easily and effectively. What do you think about this video? Let us know your thoughts. Every comment from you is a spark that fuels our creativity.
Ready, set.
No need for a big chainsaw. This handsaw is more than enough to do the trick. Plywood production is a complex process that requires precision and advanced techniques. After being harvested, the wood is peeled into thin veneer layers and then dried to a specific moisture level to ensure quality. These layers are coated with adhesive and arranged in a cross-grain pattern, enhancing durability and strength. Under high temperature and pressure, the layers bond tightly, forming sturdy and resilient plywood sheets. Finally, the finished product is sanded, cut to standard sizes, and undergoes strict quality inspection before reaching the market. The custom-made superwood splitter with a powerful hydraulic engine makes cutting logs quickly and easily. The sharp cutting blades, combined with hydraulic pressure, increase productivity and reduce manual labor. Its sturdy design ensures stable operation, making it ideal for woodworking shops and professional processing. The perfect solution to optimize the wood splitting process efficiently. The Costa ER200 stump harvester, with a capacity ranging from 16 to 28 tons, is specially designed to handle tough stumps like eucalyptus. With its powerful cutting system and exceptional durability, the machine increases productivity and saves time during the harvesting process. Its specialized and robust design ensures efficient operation in harsh environments. An ideal choice for harvesting hard and heavy wood stumps. Red oak is tough and durable, but with this wood splitter, every challenge becomes effortless. The powerful hydraulic system easily splits tough logs into neat, perfect pieces. It not only saves energy, but also delivers outstanding work efficiency, ensuring every project, from firewood to woodworking, achieves excellent results. This automatic saw represents a breakthrough in wood processing technology. With advanced sensor technology and precise guiding blades, the machine optimizes each cut for maximum efficiency and minimal waste. The system automatically adjusts the saw blade according to the wood size, ensuring perfect consistency. It's the ideal solution for any wood project, delivering optimal results and saving time. This vintage log splitter operates with a rare engine, blending rustic charm with raw power. Though it may look intimidating, it runs with precision and strength, proving the enduring reliability of classic mechanics. The engine roars, and the sharp blade slices through the wood effortlessly, evoking the glory of machines from a bygone era. The Brentwood homemade automatic saw is a mechanical masterpiece, combining power and efficiency for optimal performance. With a sturdy frame, precise cutting table, and sharp blade system, it minimizes effort while significantly boosting productivity. Powerful yet easy to use, it is the perfect choice for families and woodworking enthusiasts, delivering a smooth and efficient cutting experience.
I built a couple of weeks ago. Scrap metal, stuff that I had around. Not a lot of money.
The Slinger log splitter is equipped with a lifting system and a powerful hydraulic engine, delivering overwhelming force against even the toughest logs. With immense pressure, it effortlessly tears through thick, stubborn wood in seconds. The smart lifting mechanism makes handling heavy logs easy, reducing manual effort while maximizing productivity. This is the ultimate machine for those who demand efficiency and raw power in their wood-splitting tasks. There is a certain magic in transforming a rough log into sharp, clean planks with a homemade saw equipped with razor-sharp teeth. As the blade glides smoothly, slicing through the grain with precision, you feel like the master of a powerful machine. The cracking wood and the roaring engine blend into a symphony of strength and craftsmanship. Since using the enclosed rim tree cutter, I no longer have to worry about debris flying everywhere. The rim keeps everything neat, ensuring a smooth cutting process without the mess. Not only is it safer, but it also helps me work more efficiently and saves time on cleanup after each cut. Since using the enclosed rim tree cutter, I no longer have to worry about debris flying everywhere. The rim keeps everything neat, ensuring a smooth cutting process without the mess. Not only is it safer, but it also helps me work more efficiently and saves time on cleanup after each cut. Make your work easier than ever. With the ability to handle bark, debris, and even the toughest stumps, this machine operates smoothly and efficiently. The Model 40 can split logs up to 40 inches in diameter, utilizing your existing hydraulic system for maximum power. Installation and removal are simpler, saving you time, reducing hassle, and significantly boosting productivity. Ponzi Ergo is not just a powerful machine, but also the ultimate solution for the modern forestry industry. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures stable operation even on challenging terrains, delivering high performance in all conditions. The C5 crane, with a 10-meter reach and a 1,000 kilograms lifting capacity, enables quick log handling, reducing labor effort. The H8 cutting head, equipped with a high-performance saw, can fell trees up to 70 centimeters in diameter, accelerating harvesting and optimizing productivity. With its intelligent design, Ponce Ergo also minimizes fuel consumption, reduces maintenance time, and enhances operator safety, providing outstanding economic efficiency. This log splitter enhances safety with a smart limiter and groove plate, allowing the wedge to lower as the blade lifts. This mechanism is especially effective when logs lean against it, reducing risks and optimizing workflow. As a result, the machine is not only safer, but also significantly boosts efficiency. If you love this content, don't hesitate to leave a comment. The dual work table design is a groundbreaking leap in efficiency. Operators can prepare the next log while the previous one is still being split, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. This flexibility not only accelerates the workflow, but also delivers a sense of power, like a lumberjack ruling an entire forest. With just a bit of innovation, this hydraulic wood chipper becomes the perfect machine for those who demand high performance. Its simple yet powerful design, combined with a two-hand control system, enhances safety without compromising its raw strength. Now, you can process wood quickly and efficiently while staying completely secure. A perfect blend of power, safety, and cutting-edge technology. What a terrifying and heartbreaking moment. The poor car sat helplessly under the tree, and in just an instant, the massive trunk came crashing down, crushing it mercilessly. A scene both shocking and deeply regrettable. Maybe I shouldn't be laughing, but I just can't help it. This is both tragic and ridiculously funny at the same time. Despite its sleek and professional design, this machine has limitations. Its short axe blade and weak engine make wood splitting less effective. But with just a few upgrades, enhancing the engine and expanding the shaft diameter, it could undergo a complete transformation, turning into a powerful and formidable machine, ready to conquer even the toughest logs. The Titan integrated saw is a powerhouse, delivering maximum performance and remarkable time savings. With the ability to crush logs up to 420 millimeters, it unleashes formidable strength, while its sturdy frame ensures absolute stability. Even under continuous heavy use, the Titan maintains exceptional durability and efficiency. Truly an unstoppable machine. The wood-cutting machine with an advanced drum rotation system delivers powerful performance and absolute precision, ensuring fast and efficient log splitting. Its ability to handle various types of wood makes it a valuable tool for saving time and energy. Built for durability, this machine withstands intense workloads and serves as a reliable companion for heavy-duty tasks, always ready to conquer any challenge. Have you ever wondered why classic woodworking tools have stood the test of time? The Heron saw is living proof. Simple yet enduring, powerful through the ages. With its vintage engine like a time machine, it still slices through wood as smoothly as it did on day one, proving that sometimes true sophistication lies in simplicity. The lesser of wood saw, equipped with a powerful gear system for 4 operators, ensures fast and precise wood processing. Its durable engine and optimized cutting mechanism boost productivity and save time. The gear system reduces labor effort while maintaining high efficiency. With exceptional durability, the machine operates reliably in all conditions. A powerful and trustworthy tool for professional wood cutting. The V8 saw is not just a tool, it's a true powerhouse. With an industrial-grade chain and a roaring engine, it slices through logs in an instant. The fusion of raw power and advanced technology allows it to conquer any challenge. A real beast in the world of woodcutting.
Так, всем привет. 220, 2,2 киловатта.
Imagine turning a solid log into neatly split pieces with nothing more than a spinning screw. With each rotation, the wood fibers crack and separate, peeling apart like the skin of a ripe orange. A simple yet powerful idea, transforming hard labor into a smooth, almost magical experience. This is the power of pure mechanics, where human ingenuity turns manual work into an art form.
Нормально. Вот. Так нельзя.
Who would have thought that a wheel, an electric motor, and a log splitter could create such quiet power? Technology and safety blend seamlessly, turning hard labor into a smooth experience. With each rotation, the wood splits like a mechanical miracle. As dawn rises, tough work transforms into a mesmerizing performance. Imagine a perfect workspace where you never have to bend down twice to pick up the same piece of wood. This table doesn't just elevate your work, it's fully adjustable, allowing you to stand comfortably while operating. Every movement is smooth, turning labor into an effortless and efficient experience. The genius behind this homemade log splitter truly deserves admiration. The wood-splitting beast with 80 tons of hydraulic force is an unstoppable machine, turning even the toughest logs into pieces within seconds. Its immense power boosts productivity many times over compared to traditional methods, saving both time and effort. Not only is it powerful, but it's also safe and easy to operate, minimizing risks for workers. With outstanding efficiency, it's the perfect choice for those needing to process large quantities of wood quickly and effectively. A truly incredible machine. The Hammerhead GS44 is a powerful wood-cutting machine with two integrated features: a gripping and clamping system to secure large logs, and an ultra-sharp saw blade that slices through wood in just 0.2 seconds per cut. With its speed and precision, the machine boosts productivity, reduces labor effort, and ensures maximum efficiency. However, if the blade is too rough and lacks proper safety protection, it can pose a serious hazard, leading to severe injuries for the operator. Therefore, maintaining the saw blade and equipping it with safety mechanisms is essential to ensure both performance and user protection. The homemade G wood cutting machine with a 1.5 kilowatt electric motor and a 1:25 gear ratio allows for effortless and efficient wood splitting. Its optimized design ensures smooth operation, energy savings, and powerful performance. The transmission system reduces engine load, increases durability, and lowers maintenance costs. A smart DIY solution for fast and easy wood processing. The NTB wood saw system is an advanced solution from Japan, optimizing the wood cutting process with high precision. Its automation technology enhances efficiency, minimizes waste, and saves labor costs. Notably, this machine can cut logs with a diameter of up to 3 meters in just 18.5 seconds, delivering exceptional processing speed. With its fast and flexible operation, NTB is an ideal choice for modern wood factories. Oh no, it's terrifying. I hope he's not too injured. composite 931 is truly an amazing machine, conquering every hill with impressive power. It makes timber harvesting feel like an easy journey, leaving everyone in awe. The AWI RT800-600 stump grinder is showcasing its impressive power as it effortlessly grinds down large tree stumps. With advanced technology and a robust design, the RT800-600 saves time and labor in stump processing, delivering high efficiency for timber harvesting tasks. The Immerse SDH chainsaw series offers an optimal solution for wood processing, capable of handling logs with diameters up to 450 millimeters and an impressive output capacity of 150 to 300 millisquares per 8-hour shift. The system is equipped with the SDH D400 circular saw and VC 900D26, combined with advanced multi-blade cutting technology, ensuring precise cuts and superior performance. It is the ideal choice for medium and large sawmills, enhancing productivity and optimizing the production process. This powerful hydraulic wood cutter is easy to use and extremely safe, even for older users. The simple control system helps save time and effort. It's the ideal solution for everyone, including those with little experience. A tree hanging precariously in the forest canopy is like a ticking time bomb, posing a threat to everything around if not dealt with promptly. Its unstable position makes it a potential hazard, and even a small mistake could lead to disaster. However, with the intervention of a skilled arborist and the right tools, this risk can be safely eliminated. The MBR 900 is a powerful wood cutting machine that specializes in treating stone and hard materials with incredible precision. Use it to cut another stump to bring a cannon into the knife fight. The process is necessary, but the feeling is so pleasing to the eyes. Vermeer WC2500 XL, the beast that devours wood. With razor-sharp teeth, the Vermeer WC2500 XL effortlessly chews through even the toughest branches, turning them into mulch in seconds. Its impressive power and outstanding efficiency make it the ultimate wood chipping machine every job site dreams of. Think all chainsaws are the same? Get ready for a shock. These monstrous machines with V8 engines and giant blades will leave you in awe with their sheer destructive power. LogMax 6000B, the forestry beast that conquers every challenge. With advanced hydraulics and a rugged design, the LogMax 6000B effortlessly handles massive trees, boosting logging productivity. Superior efficiency, minimal maintenance, and maximum profitability. This is the machine every forestry operation dreams of. With vertical gears and a superior splitter, Lizarub combines refined precision with raw power, effortlessly ripping through even the toughest logs. Its powerful engine and stable hydraulic system generate unstoppable cutting force, peeling away layers of time from the wood. Safe, efficient, and incredibly powerful. This is the machine every professional and forestry enthusiast desires. This isn't just a wood-cutting device, it's a masterpiece of engineering and innovation. With a rhythmic spinning mechanism as precise as a skilled craftsman, this beast effortlessly rips through raw logs, turning them into neatly split firewood in seconds. The perfect fusion of industrial strength and smart design makes it a true testament to adaptability and limitless creativity. Narva H60, versatile power, a game changer. With an innovative design and a powerful hydraulic system, the Narva H60 effortlessly lifts and splits wood in a single smooth motion. Compact, versatile, and highly efficient on any terrain, this is the ultimate machine for both professionals and small-scale operators. PTO hydraulic log splitter, durable power, superior performance. Equipped with a powerful hydraulic system and 3-point PTO drive, this log splitter delivers an impressive 42 tons of splitting force with a 6-inch by 32-inch ram. The adjustable and interchangeable wedge system, 4, 8, 12-way, allows for flexible processing of various wood types. While it's not an industrial firewood processor, it easily handles logs up to 50 in, far exceeding the 18-inch limit of many other machines. A powerful, reliable machine, perfect for all your log splitting needs. Powerful, precise, and relentless, this machine's hydraulic system rips through even the toughest logs like a knife through butter. Every split is decisive, as if the machine understands the grain before striking. Its durable steel construction ensures stability even in the harshest conditions, turning logs into winter fuel in the blink of an eye. PTH 1000-1000M, the ultimate wood chipping solution. With a capacity of 220 milliquarter, the machine efficiently processes large wood pieces with a chipping diameter of 800 millimeters and an input size of 1000 by 100 millimeters. Its 1000 millimeter drum system and 1000 millimeter 2200 millimeter feed chain ensure smooth and stable operation. The Scania engine is durable, fuel efficient, and reduces operating costs. With an intelligent design for easy maintenance, it is the perfect choice for large-scale wood processing. The most powerful steel chainsaw on the planet, ready for any challenge. With a 59-inch guide bar, this beast is built for the toughest jobs. The Beast Land Clearing Machine, ultimate forest mulcher for excavators. With unmatched power, this machine tears through any terrain, shredding trees and returning perfect mulch. Its incredible performance transforms dense forests into clear land in the blink of an eye. A true powerhouse built for the toughest jobs, powerful, efficient, and unstoppable. LeCrue's Eradicator, the ultimate root destroyer. This machine moves like a mechanical ballet dancer, effortlessly lifting and eliminating even the toughest roots. Its 3 cutting bars and serrated rollers work in perfect harmony, powered by an independent hydraulic system. A spectacular display of power and precision. No root stands a chance. Caterpillar D2. The legend roars back. Strap in and get ready to feel the thunderous roar of this classic beast. The D2 isn't just a tractor, it's a time machine, taking you back to the golden age of heavy metal and raw mechanical power. With unstoppable strength, it tears through the earth and crushes every obstacle in its path. And those tree stumps? They don't stand a chance against this beast. The ultimate splitter, simple, safe, and incredibly efficient. Oh my god, this is the best splitter design I've ever seen. With just one simple action, it eliminates all safety concerns and gets the job done at lightning speed. Faster, stronger, smarter. A mechanical masterpiece that makes everything effortless. Hey, if you think you've seen powerful machines, wait until the Bandit 21 XP arrives. With a 21-inch cutting diameter, a massive nearly 2T intake, and a monstrous 350 horsepower, this beast devours logs in an instant. Absolute power, unmatched performance. This isn't just a machine, it's the true king of the wood chipping world. The roar echoes as the crushing blades devour massive logs in the blink of an eye. Splinters fly, leaving behind an indescribable satisfaction, a brutal yet mesmerizing power. I could stand here all day watching this machine work without getting bored. In 2022, their sawing system reached a whole new level with the advanced Immerse saw frame. This cutting-edge technology enables fully automatic width adjustment, allowing simultaneous cutting of 3 handles without any manual intervention. But that's not all. They also integrated a Merringer edge trimmer, optimizing every cut with absolute precision. Witness this machine in action, and you'll be mesmerized. The Bell 4000C Firewood processor is absolutely incredible. With a powerful 66 horsepower turbocharged Cat diesel engine and a massive 66-inch Simon circular saw, this beast is built for efficiency. The best part? Everything is controlled with a single joystick. Plus, it features a convenient dumping tray and a 16-ton rotating conveyor, making operations smoother than ever. Truly a machine to be admired. Wow, now that's a powerhouse. Imagine clearing land and coming across a stubborn tree stump in your way. But with the FH20R wood stump harvester, that's no problem at all. With just a few quick moves, its powerful grip locks in, works its magic, and the stump disappears in an instant. Absolutely incredible. And with the robotic grinder, you can say goodbye to those stubborn remnants. This powerful machine pulverizes everything in seconds, leaving the land clean and ready for any project. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Woodcut Tech so you won't miss any exciting content. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.